Welcome to Uniguru, your trusted immigration partner. Just got your Australian visa refused? Don't panic, there's still hope. You may have the chance to appeal and fight back, but time is running out. Not all visa refusals can be appealed. Your refusal letter will confirm if you're eligible. If eligible, you must apply for a tribunal review quickly. Deadlines are strict. The AAT will assess your case, and you may need to attend a hearing. Possible outcomes include refusal confirmation, reconsideration, or even visa approval. Processing times vary, and urgent cases may qualify for priority processing. The appeal fee is $3,096, but a 50% reduction is possible for financial hardship cases. Winning your appeal means you get half of your fee refunded. A visa refusal doesn't have to be the end of the road. Appealing might be your best option, but missing deadlines or misinterpreting rules can cost you your chance. Seeking professional immigration advice could make all the difference in your case.